How to swap BNB to BNB Smart Chain on Trust Wallet. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Trust Wallet. Enter your login credential, add your user ID and the password, and sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. Now over here in crypto, you should see the option of BNB. But if you can't find it, then scroll all the way down and head over to Manage Crypto. In the search bar, search for BNB and toggle on this option. Once it has been done, head over to it. You will see different kinds of options: send, receive, buy, and swap. What you want to do is click on swap. Once again, click on swap. It will redirect you to this page. You have to make sure that you have set from BNB to BNB Smart Chain. Once done, you have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap. The next thing you want to do is click on swap, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can swap BNB to BNB Smart Chain on Trust Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.